So in this video, we're going to talk about everything that we've heard so far about the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Samsung usually launches a Galaxy Fold at the end of August, so definitely the same timeline can be expected for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 as well. Well, this year, so far rumors are suggesting that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be increasing in size compared to its predecessor in order to make room for a built-in S Pen like the S23 Ultra offers. It has been claimed that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 could increase to 0.2 mm in thickness compared to Galaxy Z Fold 4 to accommodate this. Well, there is also going to be a weight upgrade, like 275 grams up from 263 grams. So it might seem like, oh yeah, this thing is happening, but I can totally say you that that might not even happen, and only because of one thing. The S Pen for the Galaxy Foldables need a different mechanism inside. It's not as simple as the S Pen you can find inside any Note phones or even the Galaxy S23 Ultra. That's the only reason why I'm not having such high hopes for a built-in S Pen slot. One of the big reasons why the weight gain is going to be there is because of the camera sensors. Well, the camera sensors are getting an upgrade, but I will talk about that in a minute. It is also said that Samsung will use water drop hinge in the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which should allow the device to fold completely flat and have a smaller crease when opened. I mean, smaller means almost invisible crease, just like the Oppo Find N. The IPX8 water and dust resistant rating is still gonna be there, but don't expect IP68 or so. So dust is still gonna be the enemy of the foldables. Now, it is expected that the book style design will still remain for Z Fold 5, so it is still gonna be a little too taller than wider. But when folded, the phone will be much more wider than the Galaxy Z Fold 4. We can expect it to be a little more like a normal phone when folded. So in terms of screen size though, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will still come with a 7.6-inch display and a 6.2-inch cover display. Something we are expecting the resolution will be a little more different because of the aspect ratio, but that's probably it. The adaptive refresh rate 1 to 120Hz LTPO 2.0 technology is still gonna be there, but we haven't heard anything about the external display. But hopefully it will be, at the very least, will offer some kind of adaptive high refresh rate like 48Hz to 120Hz. Like the display, there haven't been huge amounts of leaks surrounding the hardware of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 as of yet. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 runs on a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset with 12GB of RAM, and there are 3 storage options: 256, 512 and a 1TB variant. And the same thing can be expected for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The same kind of storage and same kind of RAM configuration, it's just gonna feature a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 made for Galaxy chipset. If you don't know about made for Galaxy project, here's a simple thing. These are custom Snapdragon chips made by Samsung. Mostly they have a better GPU and NPU compared to the standard one and overclocked prime core. That's probably it. As for the battery and charging, we haven't heard anything, but I will definitely keep an eye on this one. As for the cameras though, we have heard some of the things. Well, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is expected to feature the 108MP camera of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, it is still not as good as the 200MP camera of the S23 Ultra, but hey, still it is just gonna be a big upgrade. Now, everything else though gonna still be the same. Maybe we're gonna see a selfie camera upgrade on the cover display, but at least we are not expecting anything from the under display camera. But that doesn't mean there are not going to be changes. There might be, but we haven't heard anything from the leaks anyway. So definitely, I will keep an eye on this thing. I'll post the news on these channels. Okay, after releasing this free 8K wallpaper pack, here is absolutely stunning 8K wallpaper pack called Lightbeam. On any monitor, computer, tablet or even smartphone, it looks awesome. Want to see right away on your devices? Visit my website, link down below. It's for everything tech, where you will find free watch faces and tons of tech news much faster than these videos. So definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.